What's up, world, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, I want to give you a Texas-sized howdy from Stock Money Nation. I am Stock Money Aston, the man with the plan to bless your portfolio with some extra greenery. And now that the weekend is upon us, I want everyone to enjoy themselves since Wall Street is closed. But that doesn't mean the heat wave from these hot stocks is over. We've been trailblazing all week, so I want to set you up nice for Monday before you enjoy that pool water or those waves at the beach. So in this video, I'll be discussing my 3 stock picks for Monday, June 28th. But before I do that, we'll check on how the market did today and how my 3 stock picks from yesterday's video performed. And after we wrap all that up, hang around because who knows what's right around the corner. I'll be explaining stock market crashes and pullbacks. With the market constantly hitting all-time highs, these 2 things are inevitable. So you definitely want to know how to protect yourself. Now that we know the format, let's get it. So first things first, let's check on the major indices to see how they did today to finish off the week. We had the Dow Jones up almost 0.75%. We had the S&P 500 up about 0.33%. And then we had the NASDAQ slightly down today, almost flat though. Seems like every day now we're getting a record close for one of the major indices. Now moving on to see how yesterday's stock picks performed. One of my picks from yesterday was Beyond Meat. Looking at the chart, we had an intraday low of 143.21 and an intraday high of $148.25. This ended the day up almost 3% at $148.01. If you were able to get in this morning on some weakness, you did make pretty good profits today. So kudos to anyone who was able to be a part of that one. Okay, so moving on to another pick from yesterday, we have Clorox. This one was up almost 2.5% or $4. It had an intraday low of $172.49 and a high of $176.81. This one did not provide much weakness, but if you just got in early today, which was the weakest level, you made off with a pretty good amount today. Actually a couple percent profit. So overall, good day. 2 out of 2 picks so far. And looking at my final pick from yesterday, it was Southwest Airlines. Now this one was actually down today, about 0.2% or 11 cents. It had an intraday low of $54.23 and a high of $54.86 to finish off the day at $54.55. If you were able to pick this up today on some weakness, you're probably in the green right now, but just slightly because it did not perform as well as the other 2. But overall, today was a decent day for my picks. Okay, so now that this week is in the book, let's move on to my picks for next week. I'm trying to set you guys up nicely to make some money. So up first is Airbnb, ticker symbol ABNB. Now, Airbnb provides a platform to connect hosts to renters, and most of you should be familiar with this company if you vacationed anytime in the last 2 years, or if you've seen my previous video. Today, Airbnb finished the day down almost 1% or down $1.06 to end the day at $149.67. On Monday, I'll definitely be trying to pick this one up on some weakness. It's been very volatile lately, a lot of ups and downs, so that's providing good opportunities to make some money, but it has dropped a lot lately. So I only want to pick this one up on some weakness, and then hopefully I'll make my 1-2% and then I'm out of it. Hopefully that can happen in the same day. Now moving on to pick number 2, this is Chewy, ticker symbol CHWY. This is the company that provides pet products on their website, chewy.com, as well as pet healthcare. Looking at the chart, Chewy was down about 0.33% today, or down 27 cents to finish the day at $80.35. This stock performed pretty decent this week. However, overall in the past couple of months, it is still down big. So overall, this is still a value. So I want to pick this up on some weakness come Monday because this company has a lot of growth ahead, a lot of potential built into it, and it's pretty much the future of online for pets. And moving on to my third and final pick is Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir is a software company that's acquiring a lot of government contracts, and they also provide their software to private businesses. Looking at the chart, Palantir ended up today almost 1% or 25 cents. Over the last few months, this company's stock has fallen quite a bit. So I'm looking to get in on a good price Monday to kind of ride this wave because it's been recovering a lot lately. There's a lot of internet buzz and a lot of attention on this company. And with all the contracts they are acquiring, they should be growing quite a bit in the future. So I'm looking to pick this one up also on Monday, hopefully on some weakness, and then I can ride this out for a few percentage points. Now, if you guys seen any of my videos, you'll notice all of these stocks I've mentioned before on previous days. But that's okay because we go green here. And by that I mean it's okay to recycle. Some of these plays, they go up and they go down and they go up and they go down. So every time that happens, we have opportunities to make money by playing the volatility. So some of my plays I will be repeating when we have opportunities that present themselves over and over again. So just get used to it, strap in your seatbelts, and get ready to make some money. But with that said, that's all of my picks for Monday. So I'm hoping everybody's having a great weekend, and let's get ready to rock out another week and set this thing on fire. Okay, family, it's a lot of excitement in the market right now. But just know, it's not always going to be like this. So I just want to take a brief moment of your time to make sure everybody stays grounded and in touch with reality. The market has a certain allure, and when it keeps going up and everybody talks about all the money that they keep making, it's very attractive. And because of human nature and mob mentality, you want to just jump in. But, and this is a big but, when the market is at all-time highs, that's actually the worst time to invest your money. That's when it's the most dangerous and you have the most risk built into the market. Now, if you're trading, that's a different story. But if you're looking to invest, you can do yourself a favor and just wait. And why do I say wait? Because there's always a stock market pullback around the corner, or worse, a stock market crash. Now, according to Investopedia, a pullback is a pause or moderate drop in a stock or commodities pricing chart from recent peaks that occur within a continuing uptrend. A pullback is very similar to a retracement or consolidation and is sometimes called a correction. The term pullback is usually applied to pricing drops that are relatively short in duration. Pullbacks are very common and they are healthy for the market. Now, the extreme case of that is a market crash. And according to Investopedia, a stock market crash is a rapid and often unanticipated drop in stock prices. A stock market crash can be a side effect of a major catastrophic event, economic crisis, or the collapse of a long-term speculative bubble. We experienced a market crash last March during the pandemic. They don't happen as often, but when they do, things get really ugly. Now, the one thing that pullbacks and crashes have in common is this: they provide you with great buying opportunities. A lot of your favorite stocks go on sale and you can buy them at prices you dream of. Now, the opposite of that is just about where we are right now. We are not at the tippy top, but it's getting harder and harder to find deals and steals in the market. There are some still out there, but you really got to look for them. So I say all that to say, beware right now in the stock market. Approach things with caution. I'm not trying to spook you because God knows I love investing, and who knows when the next crash is coming. I'm just saying, if you're up big on your stocks, you should probably start trimming some of your positions. If you own 1,000 shares, it's okay to sell 100 this week, 100 next week, and so on. That way you lock in gains, and if it continues to rise, you still benefit. And if a stock falls, you limit your losses. Plus, you can always buy back in at cheaper prices. So class, lesson of today is that pullbacks and stock market crashes do happen. And don't try to time the market. Make your money and leave your emotions out of it. And subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so you can stay up to date. Because I'm always trying to find great stocks at good prices to get in at. If anything I said in this video helped you make money or made things clearer for you, hit that like button and let me know in the comments below. And remember, I am not a financial advisor, nor do I know the future. Everything I present to you in these videos is for educational purposes only and just my opinion. So until next time, people, peace.